Cafaro here, and something happened 3 days ago, actually, very exciting thing. I played a concert at a private home in Glen Mills, Pennsylvania, and there was someone there who I had met 2 years ago, and I'll just say his name is Mike right now, but he had MS, pretty advanced case of it, was on one of the drugs, kept going downhill, and you know the routine, the drug was lacked efficacy in his case. Anyway, a very smart guy. He did his research and he had a stem cell transplant done in Russia 3 years ago. And it was very fascinating to talk about him because it completely arrested the disease at that point. He was left with some residual issues, but it's amazing to see the way he's had basically no further signs of MS other than his existing symptoms that he had. So what he did was he went there, and of course this procedure for a stem cell transplant is he was given chemotherapy to basically destroy his immune system, and then you have to be kept in isolation, and then he was given a stem cell transplant to rebuild his immune system. And for him it was very successful, and I've seen a lot of these cases now seem to be very successful, but there is risk involved. He was telling me that recently one woman died from the procedure. So, I mean, the jury's out on this, and again, it's risky. It doesn't work for everybody, but I'm really excited about this. So what I'm going to do at this point is Mike and I are going to get together. Mike's gone through my book, and he was fascinated with the things that I did to change my immune system, namely changing my diet to a low-calorie plant-based diet, changing the microbiome in my gut resultingly, and then also I was doing cold showers without knowing I would just change the immune system. I was worried about overheating my body and getting my dreaded fourth MS attack, which never came. And also I was intermittently fasting for 12 to 15 hours a day. But now I've started fasting 1 day a week, and I'm doing more than that. 2 weeks ago, I fasted for 4 days, 96 hours, 36 minutes to be exact. And I think all these things really work to change my immune system. So Mike and I are going to get together, and we're going to do a whole video series on it, as far as Mike wants to learn what I was able to do, and I want to learn from what Mike is able to do. So I think this will be fascinating. So that's my next project. So stay tuned for my videos here with Mike. I'll keep you posted. Anyway, please remember, if you do enjoy these videos, like, share, and subscribe. Thanks so much for being with me.